Greetings, folks. Welcome back to Use the Delight with Microsoft Technology. My name is Sanjiv Venkatram. What I wanted to do here was to showcase a beautiful chart within Microsoft Power BI that breaks out a measure by different attributes all in one page, in one visual. Okay. So I'm looking at Power BI here. Here are visualizations, and there is my data. So what I'm going to use here is in the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row, you see this visual called the decomposition tree. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to make it the whole width of the screen, right? So what this allows me to do is to analyze a measure in sales in this case. So I'm going to actually put sales down here under analyze. And I want to analyze it by different attributes. So the first one I'm going to pick here is, let us say, the subsidiary. So I'm going to say explain sales to me by the subsidiary, right? So I have this bar, which is my total sales, and I see this plus sign show up as soon as I say explain by subsidiary. So I'm going to click on this and select the subsidiary. So now what happens is that the sales gets broken out by different subsidiaries. As it so happens, the data is primarily concentrated in Indonesia for some reason. Now what I'm going to do is give this data. I'm not satisfied. Give this data to me by segment. So I'm going to click on segment. So segments gets added to this explained by. And I'm going to click on this plus sign here. I'm going to click on segments. So the Indonesian revenue gets split by segments, enterprise and SMB. Now I'm not satisfied either. I'm going to basically say, okay, give me this by, let us say, the deal name. So I'm going to add the deal name here. And then again, the plus sign shows up. So the enterprise, I'm able to bake out by deals, so on and so forth, right? Then I'm not satisfied still. I'm going to actually say, give it to me by customer, right? So another plus sign. So the deal in whatever here, I can break this down by customer now. I can further go down and break it down by products, so on and so forth, right? So in one go, this gives you this beautiful ability to actually select a trail, if you will, from sales going from country to a segment to a particular deal to the product to the customer name and the respective segments, so on and so forth. Comes in very handy, especially if you're a finance person, to analyze the variance to budget, the variance to forecast, or year-on-year growth, so on and so forth. So in one seamless way, you can go down from the highest number and drill all the way down to its components. I trust this was helpful. Thank you very much and see you in other videos.